Hey everyone, and welcome back. Need to track inventory or manage content like blog posts? In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple but powerful system in Baserow. First, create a new database in Baserow. Name it Inventory or Content Library. Now, let's add the core fields. Start with a single-line text field for the item, name, or title. Add a long text field for the description or content. This is perfect for detailed product info or the full body of an article. For categorization, create a single select field. For inventory, use categories like electronics or office supplies. For content, use published or draft. Include a number field to track quantity for inventory, or word count for your articles. You can also add a file field to upload product images or article-featured pictures. Use the gallery view to see all your items visually, which is great for managing products or published content. Finally, click Share to invite team members to view or edit the database. And that's it. You've just built a flexible and free system to manage your physical stock or digital content in one organized place. If you build your own CMS or inventory, see you in the next one.